Hello students, welcome to the channel. Today I am going to give the answer of chapter number 3, Tides, from 7th standard geography. Moving to the exercise, first question is prepare a chain by matching the following. Students, यहाँ पर तीन ऑप्शन दिए गए हैं, ग्रुप ए, ग्रुप बी एंड ग्रुप सी. तो ग्रुप ए का जो है ना मैच वो हमको ग्रुप बी और ग्रुप सी से करना है. ठीक है, तो आपको ऐसा लिखना है, ग्रुप ए में वेव्स, ग्रुप बी wind, group C there are also generated due to earthquake and volcanoes. Second, centrifugal force में आएगा rotation of the earth, object get through towards the outer side. Third, gravitational force, the moon, the sun and the earth operates in the direction towards the center of the earth. Fourth में आएगा spring tide, new moon day, highest high tide occur on this day. Last one, neap tide, 8th phase of the moon, that is quarter. The force of the sun and the moon operate in different direction. Question number 2, give geographical reasons. First one, tides are influenced more by the moon than the sun. Answer, compared to the sun, the moon is quite close to the earth. As it is effect, the gravitational force of the moon becomes more effective than that of the sun. Therefore, tides are influenced more by the moon than the sun. 1. At some places along the coast, the low-lying areas turn into lagoons or marshy lands. Answer, low-lying areas along the coast are flooded and drained by the salt water brought in by the tides. This process leads to a gradual disposition of some seawater and sediment in the low-lying areas. In such regions, plants then take roots and hold the soil firm against the force of tides and waves. Last point, this gradually help in maintaining mangrove and the coastal biodiversity in the low-lying areas. In this way, at same place along the coast, the low-lying areas turn into lagoons or marshy lands. Next question, question number 3. Place located on the opposite meridian to the place experiencing high or low tide will also experience high or low tide respectively. Answer, when a particular place located on a particular meridian face the moon gravitational force of the moon exceeds the earth centrifugal force. As its effect, the water is pulled towards the moon. Second point, at the same time, an antipodal location on the opposite meridian, the centrifugal force of the earth exceeds the gravitational force of the moon. The water is pulled in the direction away from the moon. Third point, the water required for the high tide move in form the place on the two opposite meridian that are at right angle to those having high tides, causing low tide at those places located on the opposite meridian to the experience high or low tides will also experience high or low tides respectively. यहाँ पर जो है ना दोज प्लेस करके 2 टाइम्स आया है, आपको एक ही टाइम लिखना है दोज प्लेस लास्ट थर्ड लाइन में. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, आंसर इन ब्रीफ. First one, if there is high tide at 7 am, find the timings of the next high and low tides on the same day at a given place. Answer, if there is high tide at 7 am, the timing of the next day, low tide and high tide will be approximately 1:12 pm and 7:25 pm respectively. Second one, if at Mumbai 73° east meridian there is high tide at 1 pm on Thursday, then on which other meridian will there be high tide too? State with reasons. Answer, a place on earth located it at the opposite point of the place experiencing high or low tides also experiencing high or low tide respectively at the same time. 107° west meridian is exactly opposite to the 73° east meridian. Third question, explain the reason for the generation of waves. Sir, the main reason for the generation of wave is wind. Sometimes sea wave are also generated due to earthquake or volcano eruption acquiring below the floor of the sea. Next question. Question number 4. In what way will the following depend on the tides? First one is swimming. While entering the sea, one must take adequate information of timing of the tides Swimming in a deep sea during tides can be lead to serious accident. During high tides, it is always safe to swim in shallow water near coast. Second one is steering a ship. Ship can move up to the ports during the high tides. Therefore, one must steer a ship by taking into account the timing of the tides. Third one is fishing. With the high tides, fish move into the creeks. Therefore, fishing is largely carried out the time of the high tides. Fourth one is salt pans. Salt pans during the high tides, seawater can be stored in the salt pans. From this water, salt can be obtained. Last one, going to coastal areas for trips. While going to coastal areas for trips, one must have detail about the timing of the tide, structure and slope of the coast. Rocky areas stream near the coast before entering the seawater for enjoyment. Next question number 5. Observing figure number 3.8 of neap tide and answer the following question. So आपको पेज नंबर 12 पे जो 3.8 की डायग्राम दी गई है ना उसको ऑब्जर्व करके ये क्वेश्चन के आंसर देना है. First one is which face of the moon does it show? Answer: the diagram shows a face of quarter moon. Second, what are the relative position of the moon, the sun and the earth? Answer: the relative position of the moon, the sun and the earth is such that the moon, the earth and the sun make an angle of 90 degree. Third question, what effect will it have on the tides? Answer: search position of the moon, the earth and the sun will lead to neap tide. Question number 6, differentiate between first one is high tide and low tide. High tide में first one, a rise in a sea water level is called high tides. Low tides, a fall in a sea water level is called low tides. High tides, second point is at the time of high tide sea water is very close to the coast. Low tide, second point, at the time of low tide sea water is far away from the coast. Second one is spring tide and neap tide. Spring tide, first point is spring tide of occurs on full moon and new moon day. Neap tides of occurs on quarter moon day. Second point of spring tide, during spring tide the total pull and recede of sea water is much higher than the average pull and recede. Second point of neap tide, during neap tides the total pull and recede of the sea water is much lower than the average pull and recede. Question number 7. Describe the positive and negative effect of the tides. Answer. Positive effects of tides. Positive effects of tides are as follows. First point, with the high tides, fish into the creek and this help fishing activity. Second, the tide clear the waste and hence the coast become clean. Third point, due to tide sport to not get filled with sediment. Fourth point, ships can move up to the foot during high tides. Fifth point, during high tide, seawater can be stored in salt pans from which salt can be obtained. Sixth point, the tidal force can be used to generate electricity. Seventh, the tides help in maintaining the mangrove and coastal biodiversity. Negative effect of tides. Negative effect of tide is as follows. A lack of an understanding of the timing of high tide and low tide can cause accident to swimmers entering the sea. Subscribe to my home my study for more videos. Thanks for watching. Take care.